Okay, so YouTube video. So I'm gonna talk about how I grew on TikTok. I'm not like a huge star. I just grew more than I expected I would in, I think it's been 6 months. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you little tips on how to grow TikTok or any social media platform as an artist. So keep watching if you wanna learn that. Tip numero uno. Post consistently. At the beginning of my TikTok journey, I posted once or twice a day, but this was also because it was during the summer and the start of Corona, so I didn't have that much work. Now, I'm in 11th grade, I have a lot of schoolwork, a lot of homework, so I post not every day. I try to post every day, and if I don't have something new to post, I'll just repost an old video, but posting consistently is really helpful for growth. Because just every time you post a video, different people see it, more people see it. It shows up on the For You page to different people. That means different followers, different likes, different demographics. It just means more people see your videos. So posting consistently is key. Number two. Interact with other artists' videos. I comment on other artists' videos. I like other artists' videos. I mean, there hasn't been that many instances where they've followed me back, especially big creators, definitely not. It's helpful for inspiration to look at other artists, and it kind of creates a community where you each like each other's posts and comment each other's posts, and it's just like, artists are very supportive, so it's just like a supportive, uplifting community, and you can gain more followers or start following people that you like. Like, it's a huge community that I found really helpful on TikTok and even Instagram as well. So, yeah. Tip number 3. Look at trends going around on TikTok. For that reason, maybe not just that reason. I used to follow a lot of popular people like Charli D'Amelio and Addison Rae because they always did the trends. So if I didn't follow them, I wouldn't really know the trends of TikTok, but I followed them, and so I made the trends of TikTok my own. I'm sure I wasn't the only artist to make them into an art version, but for example, there's a cursed theme going around where you would show your best picture and then your worst picture. And I would do my best drawing and then my worst drawing. So it was kind of like that, where you follow the trends. Sometimes they blow up, sometimes they don't. But yeah, I also used trending sound.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe.
Who goes there? Do you want to say hi? I can put you in the YouTube video. You can just say hi. It'll just be a quick thing, and if it isn't good, then I won't put it in.
You should say hi.
Mom can come.
I have to be prepared. Not over the phone.
Yo, what's up?
It's there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's there.
Mwah. Yay, go team.
Hi, I'm Gemma. I'm Shaelee's sister. If you ever want to talk to someone not about art, you should talk to me. Yeah, well, should Gemma make a YouTube channel, because then she can make vlogs? I'm not making a YouTube channel. Okay, maybe I'll make one of her art challenges. Yeah, maybe. You promised you would. Anyways, so what I was saying was make trends into an artist version, and then also use the trending sounds. I didn't always use trending sounds. If I was drawing Rihanna, I would choose a Rihanna song, but your videos are just more, can go places if you use trending sounds. But I don't always use them. Don't feel obligated to use them. All right, numero cuatro. Okay, what I did, which actually was not that helpful, but kind of helpful, was I drew and then tagged popular creators.
This sounds like a freaking list.
You'll see.
That's boring.
No.
People don't go for videos about lists.
No, that's not what I was, Gemma. So let me explain the drawing and tagging popular creators. Okay, so there were a lot of people that I drew, and they never saw it, which was fine. But then people would comment and be like, I'm gonna tag them, and that would get my video to more viewers. So you tag someone, it's another comment. More people, it tells TikTok, oh, other people wanna see your video. And then actually, one person named Luna Montana. I drew her and she liked my video. She didn't comment, but she liked it. Yeah, so if you draw up people, there's a chance they'll see it and they can duet it, they can have you grow. So, yeah. And my last one, the most important one. Do what you love.
Bro, this is bad. You're just
Because-
encouraging people to draw celebrities. Like,
No,
that's not expressing their creativity.
That's not what I'm saying.
You're suppressing
No,
their
look at my list.
creativity.
Look at my list.
You're suppressing their
Look at my
creativity.
list. Okay, regardless of what Gemma says,
I'm
do what
right.
you love. Okay, for me,
Exactly. If you do what
No,
you love,
excuse me,
it'll eventually
listen,
come.
exactly.
And you're good at it.
exactly. It's
Not a terrible artist.
The last and most important thing is do what you love. For me, I never really felt obligated to follow these trends and be like, oh, I want to draw this person, but I don't really want to draw her. Like, I would always draw what I wanted to draw. Even if that was a popular creator, okay. Most of the time it wasn't, it was what I wanted to draw. I tried new styles because of other artists, like I did a lot of different things. But don't feel obligated to like follow trends just because you feel like, oh, it'll help me grow. Just do what you love and people will see that you're doing what you love. People will see that you're talented and they'll follow you and they'll want to follow your journey and they'll want to support you. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. An art challenge with my sis is coming up soon. This will be a very entertaining video, trust me. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, and share with your friends. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Stay tuned for another video coming soon, but probably not that soon because school is killing me slowly. Now we're gonna do my basic outro. I mean, I'm not supposed to say bad words. Basic outro. Ready? Wait, I need to do that better.
I'm sorry, this has to be addressed. How did this become this, become this, become this?
No. No. No.
I'm sorry, this has to be addressed. How did this become this, become this, become this?
The name game. Judy, booty, banana, fana, fo.
I'm sorry, this has to be addressed. How did this become this, become this, become this?
Right.
I'm sorry, this has to be addressed. How did this become this, become this, become this?
Just did a bad thing. Friday hell.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.